Okay, here's your question. We all know that God is so generous and kind. If Jesus was there standing in front of you, what exactly will you say to him for being generous and kind?
Before anything else, good morning to everyone again. Thank you for that wonderful question, Miss Judicator. First of all, God is the Savior of us, and I will be generous to Him also. And
Anong, anong sasabihin mo kay Lord? Halimbawa na nasa harapan mo siya. Paano mo sasabihin sa Kanya na, Lord, sobrang generous and kind mo sa amin?
I will thank for Him because of all He done for us before He died in the cross, and I will thank you for Him. Thank you. Magpapasalamat po kay Jesus dahil kung hindi niya po ginawa yun, hindi tayo
Wait, thank you!